All right, so today and tomorrow, y'all are going to work on solving linear equations. So this is stuff you've done in middle school, but I just wanted to go through some review problems with you. So in case you needed it, you would have some to refer back to. All right, so remember when you're solving equations, you're trying to solve for a specific variable. You have to undo operations in order to get that variable by itself. So here I want to get a by itself, and this is essentially saying some number minus 20 equals a negative 6. Okay, so what I want to do to get this a by itself is get rid of this negative 20. So I'm going to add 20 to both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side of an equation, you always do to the other. These will cancel. I'm going to bring down my a and my equal sign. And the negative 6 plus 20 is 14. And so now a is by itself, and that is my answer. All right, let's look at example 2. Okay, here I have some number divided by 8 equals negative 5. Okay, so I have something being divided here. So the opposite of being divided would be to multiply, which will end up canceling those 8s out. Okay, I'm going to drop down my n. And negative 5 times 8 is negative 40. Okay, so now we're going to look at two examples that involve a few more steps than those. All right, so anytime we have parentheses, we want to distribute first. So I'm going to multiply those. So I'm going to bring around this. So negative 8 times 6 is negative 48. And then I want to take that negative 8 and multiply it over here by a, which will give me a negative 8a. All right, I want a by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this negative 48 by adding it. So always the opposite to the other side. They will cancel here. Negative 208 plus 48 is negative 160. And bring down the negative 8a. So don't forget to bring down your signs. All right, and now I want the a by itself. So I'm going to divide by negative 8. Okay, those will cancel. And negative 160 divided by negative 8 will be a positive 20. Okay, and then one more example. So with my parentheses again, I want to distribute to get rid of that. So 3 times negative 8x is negative 24x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then bring down that plus 4x. All right, now I have these two terms on the same side. So when I say same side, I'm looking at this equal sign. If they're on the same side, you need to combine them. So this will be negative 24x plus 4x is negative 20x. And then I'm going to bring down minus 9. Okay, so all I did here was combine negative 24x plus 4x to get that negative 20x. Okay, now I want x by itself. So I need to work away from it first. So I need to add this 9 to the other side. They will cancel here. 160 equals negative 20x. And now I can divide both sides by negative 20. So those will cancel. And 160 divided by negative 20 is negative 8. And that will be your answer there.